Hi everyone, so welcome back to your own channel Subjectsaholic. So in this tutorial we are going to practice our quantitative aptitude question, which is very important for your MNC preparation. So today's video's topic is simple interest based question. We are going to practice simple interest questions. So before moving ahead, let us first understand what is the formula of simple interest. Now simple interest is basically equal to the multiplication of your principal, then multiplied with rate and multiplied with time. Alright students, the whole should be divided with 100. So this is the final formula of your simple interest. Moving ahead with our first question, a sum of 5,000 earns simple interest at 5% per annum. What will be the interest after 2 years? So this is a very basic question which we have to practice every day. Now solving it as, now we have the amount available, principal is available here, that is 5,000. So this type of amount is known as principal. Now we have 5% available. 5% is here your rate, because we have the percentage symbol available with this, and any numeric term which is with percentage is considered as rate here. Now we have also provided with the time 2 years. So any time frame that we have in the question, we keep it as a time like 2 years. We have to divide the whole with 100 because percentage symbolizes to divide something with 100, right? Which is already included in your formula. Now moving ahead to solve this, we have these two below 0 should be cut with the above two zeros, simple mathematics, and now we have 50 multiplied with 10, simple, is equal to your 500. This is the basic simple calculation. So among the options we have the correct response is option D, that is rupees 500. So basically the simple interest of here is 500. Simple. Now moving ahead with the next question, which is also based on the simple interest, we have a sum of 6,000 earns simple interest at 4%. So we have the 4% available here, which means this is considered as a rate. 6,000 will be considered as a principal. What will be the interest after 3 years? This time frame will be considered as a time in our simple interest formula. So keeping in mind, let's write down with me in your comment box what is the formula of simple interest. Simple interest is equal to your principal multiplied with rate and multiplied with time is divided with 100. So this is the basic simple interest formula. If you keep writing this in your comment box, you will be familiar with it and you will always keep this in your mind. Now solving the equation, simply we have 6,000 as a principal available here. We have to multiply it with the rate, that is 4, and we have also provided with the time frame, that is 3 years, divided by 100. Now keep solving it like this. 6,000, this 6,000 two above digit should be cut with the below 100, and we have only 60 multiplied by 12, simple. 1 is simple. Now when we multiply 60 with 12, we get the response as 720. So choosing it from the above options, the correct output will be 720. So option C is the correct output. Now I hope these type of questions are clear to you. I want you to solve this with me, as all the questions are very similar to solve. Moving ahead with question number 3 of simple interest type, we have now a sum of 7,500 earns simple interest at 6% per annum. What will be the interest after 2 years? So everything is with us. We just need to understand and solve it. Solve it with me. we have again simple interest formula, that is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divide by 100. So this is basically the short way to write simple interest formula, where P stands for principal, R stands for rate, and T stands for time, and the whole should be divided with 100. Simple. Now moving ahead with the quantities available to us in the question, we have the principal, that is 7500, right? We have to multiply it with the rate. The numeric term with the percentage symbol is always the rate, that is 6%, and we have also provided with the time frame, that is 2. Now dividing it with the 100, we will have to solve this equation by ourselves, and as much as we practice, we get to solve it as quickly as possible. So now again, let me change the color out, and we have to cut this 20 above 0 with the below 20 of 100. We have the equation 75 multiplied by 12, right? Now solving it simply, we will get the response of 900. You can multiply it also, and that will be your final simple interest. So choosing it among the options, 900, option D is the correct output. So I hope these questions are very similar and you are able to now getting confidence that we can solve this type of question very easily. And if so, please do like my video, comment down your simple interest formula and share it with your friends to learn it from a very basic to prepare for the MNC. Moving ahead with the last fourth question, which I think now you get the enough confidence to solve it by your own. So question number 4 is, guys, by the way, I'm expecting it from you guys to solve it and write down in the comment box. Let's move ahead. A sum of 8,000 is invested at 5% per annum simple interest. What will be the interest after 3 years? A very similar question like above, and I hope you can solve it out now. Now we have the simple interest formula again, that is equal to principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. Simple. Now we have provided with the principal, that is 8,000, with the rate of 5%, and with the time frame, that is 3 years. Dividing it whole from 100. Now let's solve it out. Changing it once. Now simple interest will be equal to removing this 20 from the above 2 zeros, cut it out, and 80 multiplied by 15, right? Now when we multiply 80 with 15, we get the output as 1200. So which is our final simple interest? Now choosing among from the options, we have option D as correct, right? So likewise, if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.